What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to talk to you about winter home maintenance. As a homeowner, there are many things you need to be aware of going into the coldest part of the year. All right, guys, let's start with the exterior of the home, and my favorite part of the house is going to actually be the lawn. So what you need to do right going into the winter is going to be spreading out some granulars that are going to be pre-emergence. This is going to help your lawn stay dormant and also not have a lot of weeds grow throughout the entire winter. If you do see some weeds grow throughout the winter, go ahead and pluck those out of your yard so that they don't continue to spread, and that way your lawn is going to be a lot more healthy going into the spring as it starts to wake up, and you can put other products on it to help it wake up at that point. Some other items that you should think about on the exterior of your home is making sure that your gutters are clear of debris, because as soon as it starts to rain or snow, that is really going to be a very heavy product in your gutters and then stressing some of the fascia on the side of your house. You also want to go ahead and think about winterizing the exterior faucets, or if you don't want to do that, go ahead and have them on a drip when it is getting into the teens so that you don't have bursting pipes in the middle of the night. All right, now moving into the interior of your home, you're going to want to take the time to see if there's any drafts in your home, whether that be windows, garage doors, or actual doors. This test is actually pretty easy without any tools, because now that it's winter, it's going to be cold outside, you have heat on inside. So visit every single exterior window and door. You want to test to see if there's any cold air coming through. You're of course going to be on the inside and feel around the windows and doors. This is going to be a pretty easy thing to fix as well. All you have to do is go buy some weather stripping appropriate for windows or doors and make sure that you seal that part up. It's also going to make your home a lot more efficient for utilities. Another item that you really need to focus on 2 times of the year is going to be winter and going into summer is your HVAC unit. To me, I call that the heart of the house because it's going to heat and cool the house. What we do for our clients is get them in touch with a professional that's going to check this system once during the winter and once during the summer to make sure it's functioning as it's supposed to and within the tolerances that it's designed to work under. What the professional can do, or you can do yourself, is to make sure that all of the lines going in the house to the HVAC system are also insulated. This insulation is really easy to purchase from Lowe's or Home Depot. One last item for the exterior is going to be looking at all of your concrete or any exterior features that have to do with pavers, because what you want to do is make sure there's no cracks in those items. When it rains, the water is going to get into those cracks, and then when it freezes, it's going to expand those cracks further, creating a bigger problem for you to address in the spring and summer. Now, if you have any other deeper questions about how to maintain your house during the winter, of course, happy to have that conversation with you. And remember, with Delisle Properties, luxury always comes standard.